What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today I will be sharing with you how you can convert currency on Wise mobile app or the website, right? So what you want to do is select the account with the money that you want to convert, then select convert, specify the amount that you want to convert, right? So I'm going to say 0.3 US dollars, and for that I'll get 38 Canadian, and for that I'll get 38 cents. So we'll select continue and then select convert. You also have the option to do auto convert, so let's cancel this. So let's select convert again, specify the amount that you'd want to convert, then select auto convert. Now specify your desired rate that you want the auto conversion to take place. So let's say it goes to $1.35, then it auto converts when it hits $1.35, and then you'll select continue. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.